Want to quickly convert years into days in Excel? Let's do it in under a minute. So we have year listed in column E and now you want to get the numbers in days in column G using Excel convert function. So let me type the function here convert and the first argument is number. So in this case it will be year. So let's select the year 1 comma and the next argument is from unit. So we want to convert from so in this case years. So double quote I type WYR, so that will represent year, double quote close bracket, and now then we want to convert this year to days. So double quote DAY double quote bracket close, press enter. So now here for year 1 we have 360.25 days. So let me copy this formula and extend until the last row, press enter. Here you go. Thank you.